everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you how you can wirelessly send files to an iPhone from Windows 10. So Windows 10 does not have AirDrop, and what we're going to use in its place is VLC Player. Make sure the VLC Player is installed on your iPhone or on your iPad. So on your iOS device, you need to first open VLC Player and go to the settings. Under File Synchronization, you have to enable IPv6 support for Wi-Fi sharing. And next you have to go to the Network tab, and here you have to enable sharing via Wi-Fi. When you enable this option, you're going to get an IP address under this switch. Take note of this address. Move to your Windows 10 PC and open any web browser of your choice. In the URL bar, enter the IP address that you got from your iPhone or from your iPad and tap enter. You're going to see this interface for sharing files. Go ahead and drag and drop the files that you'd like to add onto it, and remember that you can share any type of file. You don't necessarily have to share media files just because you're using VLC Player. And we're going to go back to the iPad. Since these files aren't files that VLC Player can play, they're not going to show up in VLC Player. To access them, what you have to do is you have to look for the Files app on your iPhone or on your iPad. And here they are. You can now open these files in any app of your choice. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later with more tech tips.